This is the installation tutorial for the 2725RK-1 renewal kit, which is compatible with these 1/4" ratchets. This ratchet uses a 6IP Torx Plus screw, so you can use our 168T-6IP screwdriver to install this kit. Start by unscrewing the screw on the back of the ratchet head. This will release the front accessories, which can be removed and discarded. Before you begin the assembly process, clean the ratchet housing. Apply CRC or WD-40, then wipe with a clean cloth. Insert the reversion lever into the lowest hole in the back of the ratchet head. Insert the pin and spring into the hole in the side of the reversion lever. Make sure that you insert the spring end into the hole, and use tweezers if necessary. Insert the pawl into the assembly. You may add some optional grease to the pawl before inserting it into the assembly, which can reduce friction between the pin and the pawl. This diagram shows where we apply the grease during assembly. Slide the spacer into the pawl. Insert the gear into the assembly. Press the cover plate into the ratchet head. Make sure that the circular cavities are facing down. Insert the screw into the smallest hole in the back of the ratchet head and through the pawl, then tighten the screw. Test your ratchet handle to ensure that it was assembled properly. This concludes the installation tutorial for the 2725RK-1 renewal kit.